spend the day with me as a small content creator. I'm really quiet right now because everyone's still sleeping, so hopefully the mic is picking this up and it doesn't sound too horrendous. I've been trying to treat social media like my part-time job for right now. So what I've been doing is for 2 hours in the morning when I wake up on my days off, I will edit and I will plan out my day from like 8 to 10. Then around 10, I'll get ready for the day. And then that's like my break. And then once I'm done getting ready, I come back up and start filming from like 10, whatever, like 10:30 to 12. So I bought a little notebook to plan out what I need to film. And I still have a lot to film from last week because I didn't get everything done. But realistically, it's only about like 4 videos that I have to add on to today. So we're going to film 6. It's going to be a lot of videos today because I got a lot of TikTok shop samples I need to film. And I've also had a really good month with like UGC creation. I've been getting a lot of like jobs from that. But yeah, so I'm going to edit what I have to edit here, and I'm going to schedule my videos for today as well. I've gotten a lot done in like the hour and a half I last talked to you guys. I edited 3.5 videos. I say half because I have to do a voiceover still for one of them. And then I uploaded a video to TikTok. I scheduled another video to TikTok, and I'm about to schedule another video for TikTok for today. So I'm going to do 3 uploads today. I like to do at least 1 TikTok shop video a day. So that's the last video I'm going to upload for today on TikTok. So my editing process is like a little weird. I edit on my laptop just because it's easier. I edit in iMovie and I do app preview. It makes it easier to edit your TikToks, Instagram Reels, whatever. Then I airdrop it into my phone and I do like the color correcting and all that stuff on CapCut, and then I'll schedule it on TikTok. It's just easier. I don't know. Then I planned out what I'm going to film for today. I have 8 videos I want to film, and then I wrote down some video ideas. I also, when it's like a TikTok shop video, I will write down the product and then all of the information about said product, like talking points for myself. Then I'm gonna go into ChatGPT. I have the hardest time with that. And then I'm filming on my DJI. I thought it was DJI for the longest time. Anyhow, I'm gonna go into chat and get a hook and a call to action for my videos because I am so bad at that. And then when I upload the video, eventually I'll go into ChatGPT again for captions. And then I use Creator Search Insights on TikTok for my hashtags. It's definitely a process, but it's working. And then when it comes to like what TikTok shop videos I want to film, I will look through like my past week or so, and I'm going to start doing this for YouTube also, to see what does good, what doesn't do good, so I know like what products to keep promoting. And then I also just look at like what sales I've made. So it's been a while since I filmed. I got ready and I filmed a TikTok while I was getting ready. I did a get ready with me with dermatology. I do a lot of posts for them. I'm like a affiliate, I guess, for them. And every other month you get to receive products from them, and they'll send you like a vibe of what they wanted to film. I did a little like skincare routine using dermatology products. Then I just filmed a couple videos. I filmed with the Misha Be Perfect Cover BB Cream. This is honestly one of my favorite products. And then I filmed using the Color Wow Raise the Root Thickening and Lift Spray. These 2 products do really well on my TikTok. Then this is a new TikTok shop product. It is a Magic Healer Universal Flare Care Cream. This is going to be really good for your feet if you have dry, cracked feet. I put it on my hands, but I think it's going to be better for feet. Then I also filmed this Peripera video. It is with their Ink Velvet in the shade 28 Mauve Full Nude, I think it was called. Let's see. Yeah, Mauve Full Nude. They're going to be 30% off
on Amazon for Black Friday and Cyber Monday if you guys want to check them out. But I absolutely love these. I actually have bought a ton on my own, and I gonna do a little post for them. So I filmed all of that. Next, I'm gonna film 2 swatch videos, one for a Maybelline concealers and then another one for new Merit eyeshadows that they sent over. Just got done filming the 2 other videos that I wanted to film before I ate lunch. These eyeshadows, I have to show you guys, they're so pretty from Merit. So Merit sent over their shadow sheens to me. They are all so pretty, and I already know the lighting on my camera right now is not going to do it justice. But this one is a nude shade called Glacé. Don't know how to say it. Gorgeous. This one is my favorite. This one's called Sartorial. It is like a bronzy. I love a bronze. And then this one is called Iris. It's so pretty. It's like a purpley kind of color. I love these kind of colors for fall. And then Maybelline sent over some instant age rewind erasers. I picked out some shades, and then probably during the weekend I'm gonna make a TikTok making like a full face look using these products, because that's kind of like the vibe that they did. Like these 2 are for bronzer / contour, then these 2 would be like for foundation, and then these 2 are just like for concealing and brightening. It's also crazy to me that like brands like Maybelline and Merit send me stuff and I will never get over it. It's been a little while since I last vlogged, so let's do a little catch up. I ate lunch and I finished editing one of the videos from this morning, so that's all good to go. I just need the brand on their end to like update the status on my package, because I have to say that I received the package and then I can submit my content. So I have to wait for them to say that they shipped it, which I don't know how that happened, where I got the product before they even said they shipped it. I don't know what happened. I don't know. But the content's up. It just has to get approved by them. That way I can post it. And I think that's for Instagram. So follow me over on Instagram if you guys want to see it. And then I was just cleaning up my computer a little bit because my storage is becoming full. I pay so much in iCloud. I don't know what's going on. And then I have this Lacey, love the Lacey. It's an external hard drive. They're pricey. This is a terabyte. I have the 2 of them. One is specifically for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. That's this one. And then my other one is specifically for my phone. I'll just put all my pictures and videos on there, like my personal pictures and videos, aka all my videos from the Grand National Tour and the After Hours Till Dawn Tour, because those 2 concerts took up all my storage. And then I had a call for a potential job. So this job, they called me and they kind of just talked about my resume, and I just feel like I completely bombed it. I got so nervous and just like, I don't know, I just like get in my head, I guess, and I was stumbling over my words. I felt really awkward and probably won't hear from them again, because that's my luck. So that's part of the reason why I've been just like filming a bazillion TikToks a day, because I'm hoping by some miracle something good happens from either me doing content creation or me just finding an actual job. So now I'm going to go get my laundry, because that is done, and I have to fold laundry because I never put pajamas away. I've just had them in a little basket over here, so I'm gonna fold those first, go grab what's done. Laundry is put away. I got 3 packages from Amazon. I know what 2 are. I don't know what the 3rd one is, so thought I'd unbox them for you. Okay, this first one is a Nilla and Vitamin C clay face mask. It has honey, saffron, vitamin C, and kaolin. It's going to purify, deep cleanse, and give your skin a radiant glow. This is a UGC post. Second product is also for UGC post. I didn't know this was coming today. This is the Simply Nature's Pledge Simply Blossom peach rings. They have greens, collagens, probiotics, and superfoods. These sound really good. Oh my god, this is water. So this is a powder. I thought it was gummies. Wow. Okay, whatever. This is a TikTok shop video, I think. This last one is my water bottle. I've been wanting a Christmas water bottle every single year, and I can never find one that I like. I don't like the Hydro Flask with the handle. I know I'm gonna hate that. I don't even like drinking out of a mug. I like a cup to hold. I don't like the handle. I don't know. I'm weird. This is so cute. This is from Simple Modern. The bows. I cannot. I'm using this tomorrow. So it's like an Owala. Owala, is that how you guys say it? I really like this. It's super duper cute, and I like how it has a little grippy on the bottom. My other Simple Modern does not. It's way later now. I'm getting really tired, so it is time to shower and get ready for bed. I'm sorry today's vlog was a little boring, but I'm definitely going to keep vlogging more. Hopefully I get a little bit better at them. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!